Okay then, we're back. Welcome back to your lessons in math. Now this time we are dealing with decimal numbers. Okay. Now for today's lesson, we're gonna have adding decimals. You know how to add decimals. There are only few steps on how to add them. First is align all their decimal point. Then add the decimal numbers just like whole numbers. Okay. So again, easy. How to add decimal numbers. Okay, first, align all the decimal point, okay, of all the decimal numbers. Then, add them just like whole numbers, okay. So, we're just gonna have 5 examples for today's lesson, and we're gonna wrap it up. Okay, so let's start. Example number 1, we have here 3 decimal numbers, okay. So 36.2 plus 45.24 plus 113.36. Okay. Now let's do this one by one. How to add decimal numbers. First is arrange the decimal numbers into a vertical column, aligning all the decimal point. Okay. So for example, we're gonna copy this. 36.2. Then we're gonna copy this. Okay. So 45.134. But it says there that we have to align. Okay. We have to align all the decimal point. So in our example here, it's not aligned. We have to change this and align the two. Okay, so if we have to align them, 45 will be here, and the point will be here. Okay, so we are already aligned now. And copy 1, 3, 4. Okay, the next 113.36. So 113 point. Is it aligned? Yes. Okay. 36. Okay. Plus. Now, why do we have to align all the decimal point? Okay. So that the place value of each number are correct, are aligned also. Okay. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, so on and so forth. So we're gonna add them. We're gonna add all the tens, the ones. We're gonna add all the tens. We're gonna add all the hundreds. Okay, that's the reason why we have to align them, so that our place value for each number is correct. Okay, so let's add. So we have already aligned the decimal point. Let's just add now. Let's add them just like whole numbers. Okay? Now let's add. Okay, 4, bring down 4. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then, decimal point. Okay? So this will be here, the decimal point. Okay? Align also to all the decimal point here. Okay. Next, 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Okay. 4, carry 1. So, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So, therefore, for our final answer, that's 394.694. Okay. That's how you add decimal numbers. Okay, let's have some more examples. Let's have example number 2. Okay. So we have 7.22. 7.22 plus 16.364. 16.364 plus 400.5. Okay, 400.5. Okay, now we have here three decimal numbers. Okay, and we're gonna add them. Now, how do we add them? Okay, first, arrange them into a vertical column, aligning all the decimal points. Then add them just like full numbers. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's start with this first. 7.22. Okay, next 16.34. Okay, notice that the decimal points are not aligned. Okay, so we have to align them. What will happen is 16 here, and decimal point, and 364. Okay, next 400 will be here, and decimal point, and 5. Okay, the purpose of which is so that to align all the same, or to align all the same place value. Okay, so ones here, tens here, and hundreds. The same tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so the purpose of which is to align all the correct or the same place value of each number. Okay, so let's add now. We have already aligned all the decimal point. All we have to do is add them just like full numbers. So let's start that. 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 here, carry 1. But we have here the decimal point 2. Okay, aligned to the 3 decimal points. Now let's add. 1 plus 7 is 8. Now 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. In 4 here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. And bring down 4. We have 424.084 for our answer. Okay? Now let's have example number 3. Okay. Let's have 0.7. Okay. 0.7 plus 10.283. 10.283 plus 100.31. Okay, 100.31. Okay, so the same process. Adding decimals, arrange the numbers into a vertical column, aligning all the decimal points. Okay, so let's try that. Let's do that. 0.7 decimal point here. Now 10 will be here. Decimal point here, aligning to the first decimal point. Then 283. 283. Next, 100 here. 100. And then decimal point. And 31. Okay. So their place value now is aligned. Okay, so let's add cycle numbers. Bring down 3. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so 2 here, carry 1. Then next is the decimal point. Then let's add 1, bring down here, 1 here, and 1. So we have 111.253 thousandths. Okay, so let's have some more example. Let's have example number 4. 38.002. 38.002 plus 21.18. 21.18 plus 420.918. 420.918. Okay? So adding decimals. You are trying to add 3 decimals. Okay? Let's arrange them first into a vertical column, aligning all the decimal points. 38.002. Next here, 21 here, decimal point, 18. Okay? And next here, 420. So 4 here, 2 and 0. Okay? And align, point, decimal point. And 9, 1, 8. And let's add. We have aligned the decimal point. Let's add just like whole numbers. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 carry 1. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here, carry 1. Now let's add. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 carry 1 here. But before that, you must put here decimal point. Okay? Because we have to align all the decimal points. Decimal point here. Now, why not the decimal point is not here? Because all the decimal points are here. So we have to align them. Okay? Next, we have here 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 carry 1. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, so 8 here, bring down 4. So 488.100 is our final answer. Okay, so let's solve one last example for this lesson. Okay, now let's have 10.003. 10.003 plus 23.0004 plus 7.02. Okay, 7.0. Now adding decimals. Okay, we have here 3 decimal numbers. How to add? Again, align all the decimal point and add just like 4 numbers. Okay, so let's arrange them vertically. 10.003. Okay, now 23 here and decimal point. Okay, align to this decimal point. Now 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 7.02. 7 decimal point here, align to the decimal point here, to the decimal point here. Okay, so 0, 2, and let's add just like 4 numbers. Okay, so bring down 4 here, bring down 3, bring down 2, 0 here, and decimal point. Okay, so align. Okay, next, 3 plus 7 is 10. 0 carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have here 40.023. Okay, and that's how you add decimal numbers. Okay, just arrange them in column, aligning all the decimal point and add them just like 4 numbers. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for your time. See you again for your next lesson.